chest today, but I remember you saying it yesterday. There was a time when you